Okay, so let's connect our MailChimp account to our WordPress site. So first thing I'm going to do is to install the MailChimp plugin. So I'm going to come down here, type in MailChimp, MailChimp, okay. MailChimp, and we have MailChimp Forms by MailMunch. Okay, so I'm going to click on install now. And can you tell me the next step? Yes, it's to activate the plugin. As usual, that never changes. Alright, so we have MailChimp right here, okay? So I'm going to click on the link itself. Alright, so it says connect to MailChimp. That's the first step. So I'm going to click on connect to MailChimp. Okay, come on. Okay, let me use this one instead. Connect to MailChimp. Okay, so finally we're getting the box. Okay, so username. Is the movie characters, and password. Okay, so I'm gonna log in. Alright, so it's logging in, it's connecting. Okay, so awesome. So from here we can simply choose what list we created. Remember we already created the weekly newsletters list, so this is it right here. So I'm just going to click on choose list. And okay, so it says no forms found. Now we have to create a form that would entice people to subscribe to our weekly newsletters list. So I'm going to click on create your first opt-in form. Okay, so here we have a variety of options as you can choose. As you can see, we have popover, embedded, top bar, sidebar. Now we're gonna take the one that embeds in our sidebar. Okay, that's what we want, because we are going to put our MailChimp form right here on our sidebar. Okay, so let's go with this one, sidebar. Alright, so we have different themes, as you can see. Join our newsletter, and we have... Alright, there are some premium versions that you have to pay for, as you can see, but that's fine. Let's just go with this one right here. So I'm going to choose this theme. Alright, so we can change certain things here. We can change the heading, for example. So I'm just going to type join our weekly newsletter. We can change the background color as well, but I actually like this as it is. To be honest, I don't see any reason to change that. So let's see what else. Okay, so thank you message will thank you for subscribing. That's fine. No need to change any of this. Okay, we cannot remove this because this is a premium feature. Removing the MailChimp logo, we can't do that. That's fine. Alright, so next step. Alright, so basic information. This is the internal title for your opt-in for easy reference. If checked, the opt-in form will be activated to your site visitors. Okay, well, let's just leave that checked. Now, in case you're wondering what an opt-in is, this basically means that once people subscribe, they would have to activate and confirm their registration. Okay, it won't just be them putting in their username and their email address and subscribing. They would have to also activate their subscription, and that is a useful way of fighting against spammers. Okay, so leave this checked. All right, let's see. Always show the form. Don't hide the form from users who have already subscribed when they visit the page again. Actually, we want to hide the form from people who have already subscribed. There's no point showing the form if they've already subscribed before. So let's see. Okay, we can also redirect people once they've subscribed. We can redirect them to a particular page on our website if we want to. All we have to do is to put in the URL for that particular page down here. So alright, so that's fine. Devices, show on desktop devices, mobile devices, that's all good. Let's click on next step. Alright, so double opt-in. This is it right here. Ask subscribers to confirm the email addresses. Yes. Okay. Choose your active list as well. Weekly newsletter. Alright, so fields right here we have, by default, we have email address, first name and last name. And well, all I have to do here is to click on next step, basically. I don't have to change anything there. Alright, and I'm gonna go with the free, with the free plan. Click on finish setup. Let me come back down here. Alright, so the final step, we have to sign up again for the mail munch format that we chose. Okay, so I'm gonna have to click on sign up, and I'm gonna put my password and sign up. Alright, so this will be to activate the form that we created. Alright, so we have a site opt-in form with 0 subscribers. That's fine. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go down to my widgets, and I am going to add the form to our sidebar. Okay, so let's remove, let's see, where is it? First of all, where is it? Sidebar MailChimp form. Here it is right here. So I'm going to drag this, and I'm going to drag it just below working hours. Title is opt-in form. The opt-in form is our sidebar opt-in form. Let me change this to subscribe. I'm going to click on save. I'm going to come back down here, refresh the page, and let's see how this looks like. Okay, so we have our banner, join our weekly newsletter, and let's give it a test. Let's see how, or whether or not this would actually work. So let's see, let's go with Ted Bundy at yahoo.com. Let's subscribe, and we have a thank you message. Thank you for subscribing. Let's go back and see if this actually registered. Let's go down to forms, and as you can see, so we have 1 subscriber. So if I click on that, it takes us to Mail Munch, and as you can see, Ted Bundy at yahoo.com, and as you can see, it actually works. So this is a pretty nice way to collect people's email addresses, and from here you can actually start sending weekly newsletters if you want to. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you've learned how to use MailChimp on your WordPress site. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next class. Bye.